Repousse is a technique of metalwork where the metal is hammered into a form to create a raised relief. This type of artwork has been used for thousands of years to create decorations, reliquaries, and even armor. In today's project, we will create a kind of reverse repousse. Instead of hammering the metal into a form, we will bring our design up and then press in the details to create a piece of medieval-inspired metalwork, all using everyday materials. For this project, you will need a line drawing of an object or design. I found a picture on the internet, but you can draw one of your own. You might want to make an animal, a special symbol, or maybe even your name in Old English letters. Be creative with your design, but choose something that has bold outlines as well as some details. Make sure your picture is as large as a piece of paper. You will need cardstock or other heavy paper. You can also use 2 sheets of paper glued together to make them thicker, or a piece of thin cardboard as long as you can cut it. The thicker this layer is, the better. You will need a piece of cardboard as big as your design, aluminum foil, scissors, and some pencils and pens. You will use these to press your design. I also have a knitting needle that I used, a glue stick, and some acrylic paint. As you can see from my hands, this is a messy project, so also have some paper towels and a protected work surface. Cut your design around the edges and then use a dark pencil to cover the back of the entire design. Place your drawing on a piece of heavy cardstock or cardboard and trace over the design. Make sure it doesn't move as you do this. Cut on the line you have transferred to make a silhouette of your drawing. Glue the cut paper on your cardboard with a glue stick. Cover it very well with glue. Then cover your entire piece of cardboard with glue. Cut a piece of aluminum foil larger than your cardboard and carefully smooth it over the cardboard. Try not to get any wrinkles. If you get some lines, gently lift the foil and press them out. You should see the silhouette appear under the foil. Be very careful not to tear the foil. You can use a dull pencil to press around the contour. Place your drawing back over the contour covered with foil, line it up carefully, and tape it in place. Now, trace over the lines and details of your drawing with a dull pencil, pen, or knitting needle or similar object. You will need to press a little hard to crush the foil and cardboard beneath. Fold back your drawing to see how your lines look, and keep drawing until they are clear and easy to see. You can work directly on the foil, but be very gentle. The foil tears easily. Add textures to your design. I did some cross-hatching and fish scale designs. Think of interesting patterns you can use, but be careful that your pattern does not hide your outlines. Fold back the extra foil and tape it in place on the back of your cardboard. Spread black acrylic paint Shoe polish will work too, over your entire design. Blot it on with a paper towel and work it into the cracks. You want it to be kind of thick. Let the paint dry just a little and use a clean paper towel to rub off the light areas and leave paint in the lowered parts of the relief. Leave a little black here and there on the foil to make it appear like aged metal. Take a picture of your work and share your medieval masterpiece.